Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Kodak K12 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recent, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. So kind of elongate the gesture. So something like that. And here, after releasing, we've got the recent. So now all we have to do is to scroll or swipe to the very left to find the option clear all. Just tap on it. We can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. However, sometimes your device will leave one app opened for some reason. I don't know why, but I just wanted to show it to you. Then all you have to do to turn it off completely is to simply swipe it up like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.